Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive analysis of Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more thorough examination. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 20th of February, 2025, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 3.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. The stock has experienced a decline of 3.94%. This corresponds to an average loss of 0.79% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a strong buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $397.30 be breached, it would initially signal a more pronounced downward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 7.47% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns varying between negative 8.04% and positive 0.755%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of about 1.06%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 0.599% and 19.01% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within the range of $402.12 to $475.72. Our latest daily update from Microsoft includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock price gained almost 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 26th of February, 2025. The stock rose from $397.90 to $399.73. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.37%. With a low of $394.25 and a high of $403.60. Although the price has been volatile during this period, there has been a loss of 2.84% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, volume decreased on the last day by 10 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7.79 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential shifts in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $468.35, while the lowest price was $385.58. Currently, the price is 14.65%, or $68.62, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is facing increased competition in the artificial intelligence sector, as Salesforce has intensified its efforts to challenge Microsoft's dominance in this field. This rivalry may impact investor sentiment and subsequently affect Microsoft's stock price, particularly in the short term as market dynamics evolve and companies release their quarterly results. Additionally, Microsoft has completed its European Union Sovereign Cloud project, enabling European customers to store their data locally. This strategic decision could enhance Microsoft's competitive edge in that region, likely attracting more enterprise clients who are concerned about data sovereignty, thus presenting potential for long-term revenue growth. On another note, there is an ongoing investigation related to Activision's Call of Duty platform, which raises concerns regarding data protection. Should this investigation result in negative findings or possible legal consequences, it could significantly impact Microsoft's stock due to reputational damage and financial liability. Lastly, technical indicators are suggesting a troubling downward trend for Microsoft, with warnings of a potential price decline. This negative outlook might discourage some investors in the short term. However, ongoing advancements in quantum computing, including Microsoft's new Majorana 1 chip, could foster investor confidence in the long term, as progress in this area may indicate future growth opportunities for the technology giant. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Wells Fargo rated Microsoft as outperform, also with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, UBS designated Microsoft with a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. Earlier on Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Needham rated Microsoft as a hold with a corresponding hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler provided Microsoft with a neutral rating and a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 0.46%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. It is important to note that volume decreased during the last trading day, even with rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. Microsoft stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $407.21 and $419.73. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 20 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 15 days ago. To discover more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft identifies support from accumulated volume at $397.90. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $9.36 between its high and low, translating to a change of 2.37%. In the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.07%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This indicates a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $3.20. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $414.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $397.90. If this support level holds, it could serve as an excellent entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Emma N. Walmsley conducted an insider purchase of 150,581 shares of restricted stock units. On the 31st of January, 2025, John W. Stanton conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Charles W. Scharf conducted an insider purchase of 151 shares of common stock. On the 31st of January, 2025, Carlos A. Rodriguez conducted an insider purchase of 255,987 shares of restricted stock units. On the 31st of January, 2025, Penny S. Pritzker conducted an insider purchase of 240,929 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 6.831. Overall, insiders purchased 537,927 shares and sold 460,630 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, Microsoft exhibits several negative indicators and is positioned within a declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks, leading us to a negative evaluation of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 27th of February, we project that Microsoft will open lower by approximately 53 cents, beginning at a price of $399.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.